Good morning, all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gyananjali Vidyapith, Standard 4th. So, students, today we'll start red chart, worksheet number 10, unit number 7. Filling red chart. So, in that chart, here is a example. Complete the following red chart. Now, pencil, items, quantity, rate and cost of amount is there. According to that, here is the items: pencil, notebook, eraser, pencil box. Quantity is 12, 13, dash is there, rate is 8, 25, 5, cost is remain here, then eraser cost rupees cost is 45 and 125. Now how will find the answer? So in that, quantity means the number of the items. Quantity means जो numbers है उसके items है, ठीक है, number of the items. Rate means the cost of the items. Rate means cost of the items. For example, pencil is there. Okay, 12 pencil. One pencil price is 8 rupees. One pencil price is 8 rupees. Amount or cost refer to the total cost of all items of the same types. There are 12 pencils and one pencil's cost rupees 8. We have to find the cost of all 12 pencils. हमें पूरी 12 pencils की प्राइस है वो फाइंड करना है. So we will multiply cost of 12 pencil is equal to 12 into 8 is equal to 12 into 8. 8 2s are 16. Right, 6 here. 1 is a carryover. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 96 is there. The cost of 13 notebook is equal to 13 into 25. Answer is 325. Answer is 325. Now, we have to find the quantity of eraser. The total cost of eraser is rupees 45. Total cost of eraser is rupees 25. And the rate of the eraser is rupees 5. So, number of the eraser is equal to 45 is equal to 45 divide by 5 is equal to 9. Now next we have to find the rate of pencil box. Next we have to find rate of pencil box. 3 pencil box cost rupees 120. So the cost of one pencil box is equal to 120 divided by 3. Answer is 14. So now we'll have the full chart. Pencil rupees quantity 12, rate 8, answer is 96. Notebook is there, 13 into 25, answer is 325. Eraser is there, 9 into 5, answer is 45. Pencil box 3 into 14, answer is 120. Got it? Now students, will start next worksheet. Okay students, now look at this. Worksheet number 11, rate chart is there. Complete the following rate chart. So in that, here is the item, quantity, rate, cost or amount. In that, bat, quantity is 4, rate is 200. 200, one rate price is 200. So 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. Answer will be 800. Okay. Then bowl, quantity is dash, rate is 15, cost of amount 315. 315 divide 15, answer will 7. Quantity of bowl is 7. Gloves are there, quantity is 9, cost of amount is 630. So we'll get the answer 17 rupees. We'll get the answer gloves 70 rupees. Now second one question. Look at this students. Item, quantity, rate, cost or amount. Shirt 8 rupees, rate is 225 is there. Pencil 8 rupees, we are not having the rate but we have to cost of amount is there. Shari is there, 4, quantity is 4. Rate we are not having but cost of the amount, total cost of the amount 900 is there. Shoes is there, 2, quantity is 2, rate is 375. So how we'll find that I'll show you here. Okay students, B1 question. In that, shirt is there, shirt is equal to quantity and rate. We are having, right? Quantity is 8, rate is 250. We have to find cost or amount. We have to find cost or amount. We have to find. So what we have to do? 215 into 8. 8 5s are 8 zeros are 0. 8 5s are 14. 2 is a 4 is a carry over. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4, 20 is there. So we have to write here 200. We have to write here 200. Then second one item is pants is there. In that we are having the quantity. Quantity we are having, rate and amount. So quantity is 8. Rate we have to find. Total amount is rupees 800. Total amount is rupees 8000 is there. So what we have to do? We have to divide 800 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Bringing down 0. Division is not possible. Bringing down 0. We'll put this 30 uppercase. So answer is 1000. Answer is 1000. Got it? Okay students. Now next one is a sarees are there. Sarees is there. In that Q means quantity is equal to 4. Rate we have to find and amount is equal to 900 rupees. Amount is equal to 900 rupees. So in that case what we have to do? We have to write here. We have to find the rate. Total rate we have to find. Correct? So 9000 divide by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Bringing down 0. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2 is there. Bringing down 0. 4 5s are 20. 0. 1 minus 2 minus 2, 0. Bringing down 0. Answer will be rate is equal to, we have to write here, rate is equal to 2250. 2215. Now next one is shoes is there. Is equal to quantity is equal to 2. Rate is equal to 375 rupees. And amount we have to find. Okay. So in that 375 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 is a carry over. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15 is there. 1 is a carry over. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 7, 715. So here we have to write amount is equal to rupees 715. Now students, I'll show you both the chart A and B. You have to look at this and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, first you have to complete chart number 1. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete both the chart, rate chart A and B both. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, now C and D you have to complete at your home. होमवर्क में आपको करना है. Now we'll start pictograph. Worksheet number 12. Pictograph is there. So in that, show the given data in your notebook using the pictograph. In that, name, number of pens, John 6, Rustam 9, Bali 3, Sudha 4. Now, how will show them as a pictograph? That I'll show you here. हमें उसको पिक्टोग्राफ में कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है. सो इन दैट आई विल शो यू हाउ टू कंसिडर दैट थिंग्स एज अ पिक्टोग्राफ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लुक एट दिस. शो द गिवन डेटा इन योर नोटबुक यूजिंग द पिक्टोग्राफ. की 1 is equal to 1 pencil. John, Rustam, Bali and Sudha. John is how many pencils are there? 6. So we have to draw 6 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 pens. Rustam, how many are there? 9. So we have to draw 9 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Bali is there. So we have to draw 3 pen here. 1, 2 and 3. Sudha 1, 2, 3 and 4. How? आपको ऐसे ही you have to draw a number of the items and नंबर ऑफ द पेन्स एंड यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, आप लोगों को अपनी नोटबुक में ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है. राइट द नेम्स एंड देन नंबर ऑफ द पेन्स. स्टूडेंट्स का नेम लिखना है और पेन आपको ड्रॉ करना है, ठीक है. दैट्स कॉल्ड पिक्टोग्राफ्स. नाउ आई विल गिव यू 1 minute. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर वर्क. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next. Now see, next number of balls: red, yellow, blue and green. Red, yellow, blue and green. So in that, now look at this. Number of the ball: red, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yellow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green 1 and 2. So this is called pictograph. You have to draw the items. जो भी number of the balls है, so you have to draw that balls in the number of the balls and you have to write the colors. Okay students, again I will give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. I hope so students your work is complete. Now we'll start next. Okay students, now look at this. C, D and E. These all the things you have to write in your homework. ये आपको homework में करना है. Now we'll start next worksheet. That is a bar graph is there. Okay students, now look at this. Bar graph is there. Draw a bar graph with a scale. So in that, name of the village Mananpur, village Namanpur, Lakshman Nagar, Ajit, Kanpur. Number of the house 20, 40, 100 and 14. Now we have to follow here some steps. Step number 1, we have to find the following data group and highest counting. Data is number of the house, group is the number of the village and highest count is the 100 is there. Is the 100 is there. Then students, we have to write. I'll show you this. What we have to do? We have to write here Manappuram, Lakshman Nagar, Ajit, Kanpur. Here we have to write 0, 20, number of the house 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. Number of the house in a village. Then Kanpur, how many, we have to keep scale 20 steps, keep counting by 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. Then we have to write Manipur. Manipur, how many numbers are there? Manipur, number of the house 20 is there. So we have to write here 20. Lakshman Nagar is there. So Lakshman Nagar is a 14 is there. So we have to draw 14 here. Ajit, there is a 100 is there, so we have to make like this. Kanpur, 14 is there. Like we have to draw bar graph. Like this we have to draw bar graph. Now I will show you worksheet number 14. So students, in the worksheet number 14, bar graph is there. So the given data in your notebook using a bar graph. So in that the following table given the data of the number of the children in the primary session. We who use different mode of the transport of lead school. Now transport of sport, car, bus, bike and auto. Number of the students, car 10, bus 20, bike 30, auto 40. Draw a bar graph for the given data. Now we have to draw the bar graph. How to draw that I will show you here. Now look at this. We have to write car, bus, bike, auto. Mode of transport. Number of students 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Number of the students using each types of mode transport. Okay. Now car, how many are there? 10 is there. So we have to draw 10. Bus 20, bike 30, auto 14. So these steps we have to draw the bar graph. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now what was your homework is there? Your homework is you have to complete this worksheet number 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete this all the worksheet and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a homework. Okay everyone, I hope so your work is complete. You have to complete your homework and send it to me. Bye everyone, have a nice day.